this video, I'll redraw one of my illustrations of Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman and transform it just like this one. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's proceed to the video. Welcome back everyone, this is Kenichi Arts and I do character designs and illustrations from the famous characters in comics, anime, and cartoons. And if that's your kind of thing, consider subscribing in this channel and together we can spread positivity and creativity through art. So, in this video guys, we will draw the DC Trinity. Yes! Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman in action. So, in preparation for this video, I prepared some sketch of mine just to show you my ideas on how the composition will look like and how the final illustration will go. Okay, so without further ado, let's proceed to the illustration. Welcome back everyone. So here is the progress of our piece so far, and this composition is based on the symbolism that each of the character embodied. For example, Superman. I want you to focus or at least feel or see the S symbol of his because that symbolizes hope. And for Wonder Woman, I also included the lasso of truth, because this symbolizes the importance of telling the truth or at least do not lie. Okay, and for Batman, I've also included his batarang because that symbolizes the justice in Gotham. So I'm gonna refine this thing and I'll get back to you. Welcome back everyone. So here is the progress of our piece so far, and I'm done shading the illustration and adding the background. So now I want to share to you how I create effects for my illustrations such as lava or fire. So if you will take a look at this part of the illustration, it flows, the lava flows on the mountains. So I created a new folder, okay, which is this one, and I've added a new layer, 2 layers. The first one is cool white and the other one is whole black. And on top of that, I've added a gradient map, which is a compilation of colors of fire, such as yellow, orange, red, red-orange, yellow-orange, and black. So that's all for the fire effect, and I'm gonna refine this thing and I'll get back to you. Welcome back everyone. So here is the progress of our piece so far, and I'm done adding the gradient maps and the color balance for this illustration. So now we're down to lighting. Yes, lighting, my favorite part of the illustration, because you can use it to guide the viewer's eye into the places wherein you want to focus them. So in this case, I added a new layer which is in color dodge mode, and pick a color right at this part of the color spectrum, because you don't want your colors to be oversaturated, because that won't be pleasing to the eye. And now we will add color dodge on this illustration, so I'll get back to you. Welcome back everyone. So now we're done with the illustration, and I'm so happy how it turns out, because it really exceeded my expectation, given that the illustration of mine last year of the DC Trinity is so bad. So it really shows how much I've improved over the past year, and I hope you like this illustration. And if you have questions regarding to my process on how I come up with this piece, feel free to let me know and I will make sure to help you out. And I've also prepared a playlist for you guys to watch and to enjoy. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.